everyone, this is Day Trader Matt doing a market recap for Friday, August the 24th. And today we did have the markets gap down and just grind sideways for way too long, for the first half an hour. Then finally the market did break out a little bit and we did grab a long down here. And this was one of those days where it really paid to stay on the market. So we got long here, we did take our first little bit of profit, and then we held on, and it actually came all the way up to our target area. So we got out over here, and it did come up a little bit more, and then it chopped around, and then it came down a little bit. So very good day. We made one trade today, which was successful. Maximum profit potential that we were working inside of was 9.5 points or 38 ticks. Actual entry and exit, we made 9 points or 36 ticks. So very good on the day. Extremely happy. If you're looking at put it in monetary value, $50 a point on the ES at 9 points, you're looking at $450. If you want to round down to 8 points, you're looking at $400. So not too bad on the day. And with that, I would like to encourage everyone to check out the website if you haven't already. It's www.businesswithtrading.com. Every day we do focus on the ES or S&P futures. It's my favorite market to trade, and it has been for quite a while. And it's a market that I like because I can come into the market, I can trade, and then I can go home flat. A lot of other markets I like to swing trade, and the ES is good because you're proven right or wrong very quickly. The trade either works out or it doesn't, and that's one of the things I really like about it. You don't have to get into a trade and babysit it. You can trade for 2.5 hours and then go to the beach, or go hang out with your friends, go play some basketball, go play guitar, whatever it is that you do. Basketball and guitar are just two things that I enjoy. But that's what trading gives you, the freedom to do whatever you want to do. Now, learning to trade, if you're not a professional trader already, learning to trade is definitely a difficult process. But if you could study really hard for a year or two, and then you can be a successful trader and be able to make money and do really well. A lot of people, let's relate this to doctors or brain surgeons. They spend hundreds of thousands of dollars going to school for 7, 8, sometimes 10, 12 years. They get out, they make a good salary, but they have so much student loan debt, so much debt that they have to pay off. Well, in trading, the learning curve and the amount of money that it costs to learn how to trade is minimal. And I think that's one of the reasons that makes traders think that it's really easy and they can just come in and make trades, and they don't really need education, they don't really need any of that. And for the website, I've tried to make like an interactive forum group, and that's what I'm doing with my trading course. It's going to be an interactive group where you can get on, you can watch all of the videos that I've recorded, all the trainings that I've done. There's a place you can ask questions to the other members, you can ask questions to myself. I hold live webinars for all the members. You can place your charts, you can put pictures of your charts up there, and I'll comment, other members can comment. I can place my charts up there, and we can comment back and forth, and just make it a very good learning environment. And you're not paying hundreds of thousands of dollars like the doctor or brain surgeon. You're getting basically just as good education, because the doctor and the brain surgeon theoretically they would want to be at the top of their class. Whereas in trading, that's kind of where you want to be too, because if you're a professional trader, that means you're better than 90% of the other traders out there, because you're consistently making money week after week or month after month. And that's really big. To be able to say you can do that is definitely very, very big, and it's very important. And that's one of the reasons I wanted to create that interactivity, to be able to have a cohesive learning environment where people can watch something and then go ahead and comment and talk about it, and we have that interactivity. Remember, like the other day, hey, will you do a webinar on this? Yeah, no worries. So I set up live webinar where people can attend and ask questions, and it makes it a lot better, because watching video is one thing, but then watching video, getting the concept down a little bit, and then having a live environment to be able to go over the same material and to talk to the guy that made it, which would be myself, is very good, I think. There's no one way where everybody learns. Everyone learns in a different way, in a different manner. And if you've done any brain research, you would know there's about 10 to 12 distinct learning styles, and everybody learns differently. So you have 12 people. Could all of them learn a different way? Of course. But would all of them learn maybe 5 different ways? Yeah, that's really good estimate there. So I think having that is definitely better, and I think I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to be awesome. Anyway, I know I got off on a little tangent there, but I did want to talk about it because I just rolled this out a couple of weeks ago, so yeah, still excited about it. Anyway, I would appreciate if you checked out the website. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Really appreciate the support. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button. Definitely would appreciate that. And of course, if you don't want to comment, you can always email me. My electronic doors are open. Support at A Business with Trading. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.